Let her drift. Yeah.
Gosh, they go. Hopefully that thing comes back maybe in like 3 years as something that's a lot bigger.
Sick day. First one of the year. It's all wrapped up in a line. And look at that. Fly right in her mouth. Big bot. Okay, so after hiking all this way through the bush, we like cutting through those spawning channels. We finally found the river, so it's right out there. Anyways, we're just following a little trail here. It's our first time being in like this lower part of this river, but so we're gonna go hit some holes and we'll see if we can get any fish. Hello everyone, we're on an unnamed river and I'm here with Casey and my mom, and for a nice winter day, brisk, low water, to see if we can catch some coho, maybe some chum. We're looking for some fresh coho, and maybe, what do you think, maybe we'll get on a trout or two possibly?
Probably, yeah, that'll happen.
So anyways, Casey right now has got the pin, he's running the float setup with the bead. And I'm running just a little 6-weight with like a reel to match it, and this is intermediate sinking line, and obviously the reel is backing on it, and then I have maybe like a 6 to 4 foot leader, 10 pound, and then I'm running this little sparse kind of like minnow fly or whatever, and it's blue. We have a couple copper with some pink heads, chartreuse heads, just a little bead. What is it, a size 6 hook, Casey?
Size 10.
Size 10?
Small.
Barbless, obviously. And anyways, we're gonna be throwing that. See if we can catch some coho. So anyways, you guys, so I made a couple casts with just the intermediate line, but I think I need to get down a bit farther. So I'm gonna put on a sink tip, that right there. Just loop connect it to your fly line, and then put the leader on the other end, and see if we can get down a bit deeper. So we'll get back to you, see if we get on a fish. Casey, what bead did you switch up to?
We're using a real dark red bead. It's got hints.
See that?
It's got hints of blue on the outside. It's just trying to fish something really less intrusive. When you look at the water, it's just super clear, it's low, it's cold, the sun's out, the fish can see everything.
Yeah.
There's probably like 30 coho in here.
There's 30 coho in here. We ended up hooking one fish in the run just before I started filming. And there's a couple holes down this way that had probably this amount of fish in them, but we just couldn't hook up. So we just kept exploring, walking down the river, and we ran across some decent holes with some biting fish. So you guys will see what'll happen here next. Yeah. My mom's good doing what she's doing, so. Down the boy, Case. Case is on a fish right when I was doing the intro. What's she looking like? Oh? Okay, hold on. Nice fish.
It's actually surprisingly
Nice.
wild fish as well.
On the silver salmon.
Yeah, it's big reed as well.
Beach come. stripping it. And that fish came up and bit it, baby. Rover, dude! Rover! Let's go! First one of the year. It's all wrapped up in the line. Look at that. Fly right in. Hope you guys got that on film. That fish is way down there. Check that out. Big buck.
Look at that fish. That is beautiful. Nicely done. Get it out. Nice. Oh, let me zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in, release. Here we go. Gosh, they go. Hopefully that thing comes back maybe in like 3 years as something that's a lot bigger.
Sick day.
Hell yeah.
I just found a bear in the tree. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see him, Mom? Okay, you guys, keep an eye out around you.